So one sound around. Remember the neurons in your brain? They create a neuronal circuit. All right, so we're going to create a circuit. And it's going to be fire, 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 fire. Okay, I'm going to look at you, you fire, fire. And so you have to look. When you play, you look. And then it goes, okay. And so we're going to see how quick we can get around the circle. All right? Ready?
In order?
Yes, these go, they're level 3. We're level 1. Level 1 is just right around. It's the clear circuit of where we're positional. Okay, got it? And so it's going to go this way around the brain. So it's certainly we're going to see what we're doing next. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Wait, okay. Okay, good. So now, if you can turn it, now it goes around, and it's going around at level 2. So that's level 1. Just boom.
Start again, Jennifer.
Here we go. Jennifer. Second level, turn it. Okay? Say and play. Third level is toss it. Let me just to be clear, it is tossing the turns, not the boom. Would you hold a Boomwhacker and we say toss it? You can just go, pick it up. Jennifer? Level 2, turn it. Level 3, as it tosses, okay? Always clear. What's level 4? Level 4, it is a short, expressive phrase. Remember the drumming? I want your music, I want you to know that you're speaking with this sound. Doesn't matter what instrument you have. It's your language. So now it's a short, expressive phrase when you have it. So now we get rid of, this is like what we do many classes in. So now they're comfortable with the game. Instead of saying turn it, it's really body language now, which way it's going to go. You don't have to say turn it or toss it. So I might go, she's ready, she's ready. different ways to structure so kids could create their own music. And if they're going to tell, my word for a solo is a sound story. Tell me your story in sound. You just did it. You're already expressing your story. Make sense? But now, if we're going to start to organize ensemble playing, I want them to understand that there's a support role and a storyteller role. Okay? So now, building on the sequential scaffolded activity, I now will put a pulse to it. And so I'll say, watch the person, I'll start the story. So I start the storyline, and then I start to find the support part. So now, watch my bio, you're not on it, it's just me, because I now got one person, and now I hold the ostinato support, and I invite the next storyteller to tell the story over this. So I support, you're the storyteller. When your story is complete, you find a support system, and our eyes, you look at someone else, and I know that he is now the support player, choosing the next storyteller. So I stop, so he stops looking at me. So I'm out, the roles have changed. He is now supporter, you are the storyteller. So the thread of the story continues to go around. Does that make sense? And we really clarify support role and storyteller solo. So this would be the solo ostinato form.